Well, guys, welcome to Texas, Austin, Texas. So we're gonna actually. This is how the camera looks, by the way. This is the Nizo. Looks like a Nizo 148 XL that I got it. Her mic is in there, right? Anyway, so it's right here. So yeah, let's put the film in here. Get in there. Bear with us because the guys.
I think about you day and night, and everybody knows that I want to make you my girl.
We finally got it to work, and we're gonna go ride on the boardwalk in Austin, Texas, on our bikes. Well, I'm gonna be filming, so she can wait
And I do all I can to make you mine. But I'm always the first to run away.
I just gotta say something. She can't ride a bike. Deanna can't ride a bike. I mean, she in the video previously. Okay, guys, so now we're switching roles. I'm gonna be shooting her. So let's go.
My heart brings me back to you.
I forgot to bring the jam to this session. But anyway, we have approximately 8 minutes, and I'm gonna take some B-roll of her riding.
About you day and night, and everybody knew that you would be